Primary school children love playing imaginatively and pretending to use different modes of transport as they play. This unit combines learning about different ways of travelling yn Gymraeg, with a past tense verb dod, meaning to come yn Gymraeg. Let's start with a question. Sut ddes di yma? How did you come here? You try it. Sut ddes di yma? Da iawn. You start your answer with mi ddes I yma, and then add a mode of transport. Let's give them a go. Mi ddes I yma ar y bws. I came here on the bus. Mi ddes I yma yn y car. I came here in the car. Mi ddes I yma ar y beic. I came here on the bike. Mi ddes I yma ar y tren. I came here on the train. Mi ddes I yma mewn taxi. I came here by taxi. Mi ddes I yma yng nghar mam. I came here in mum's car. Arbennig. Symud ymlaen rwan. Moving on now. Be am bawb arall? What about everyone else? We'll drop the yma in these examples, as you might not want to say that they came here every time. Mi ddaeth o ar y bws. He came on the bus. Mi ddaeth hi yn y car. She came in the car. Mi ddaethon ni ar y tren. We came on the train. Mi ddaethoch chi ar y beic. You came on the bike. Mi ddaethon nhw mewn taxi. They came by taxi. Mi ddaeth y plant yng nghar mam. The children came in mum's car.